In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook video on Android. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the video that you would like to download. So for this example, we're going to be downloading this video, and all you want to do is you want to go to the right menu and you want to select on like this arrow icon right over here. And then you're going to see this option that says copy link. So please go ahead and press on that and it will say link copied to clipboard. So now all you want to do from here is you want to open up any web browser. If you're on an Android device, open up something like Samsung Internet or Google. And if you're on an iOS device, go ahead and open up Safari. Okay, then in the search bar, please go ahead and type this out. So go ahead and type it out, then go ahead and just enter it in. And you want to look for this particular website over here, fdown.net. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it, and then the website should look something like this. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and paste it in. So what you may need to do is you may need to long press on the bar, then select on paste just like so, and then there you go. Then go ahead and press on the download button right over here, and now just wait for it to load in. And then you guys have the option to download the video in normal quality or in HD quality. So this is 100% up to you. I'm just going to be selecting on HD quality just like so. And then there you go. And now I say download a file, and it says file downloaded. So let's go ahead and actually open it up now using the notifications. And then, yep, we can go ahead and play the video. Now, in order to save it to our gallery, what we need to do is we need to go to the bottom right, select on these three dots, then go ahead and select on download just like so. And that will officially download this video to our gallery. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.